Hey everyone, it's Sara from Edcafe AI, and today I'm going to share how you can create a chatbot that takes students on a trip without having to leave the classroom. So whether you choose one location or multiple location, a virtual field trip chatbot is a great way to introduce students to new places and new experiences. Plus, we can even add images and links for them to explore further, like we have here on this AI chatbot that is all about the Mars rover. So let me show you how you can create a chatbot just like this. So back in Edcafe, we can go to our Create New and click on Chatbot. And from here, we want to tell it to take students on virtual field trips to different locations around the world. So it can describe the place vividly, ask observation and reflection questions, also share fun facts, and encourage students to connect in a way to see what they've learned. So let's go ahead and create this chatbot. We can review any of these roles and objectives, our guided steps, our interaction guidelines. We have some tone notes along with our greeting message. So this chatbot has allowance for students to pick where they go. So you can kind of leave it like this if you prefer. Otherwise, we can add in some knowledge and have this chatbot just be for one specific location. So let's go ahead and add some knowledge, and we're going to upload some information on that Mars rover and that information. So that way, students will learn a little bit about this other planet in our solar system. In addition, we can also add a web page, this one here. That way, students can take a look at this and the chatbot can use this information. So let's go ahead and we can save that. And back in our instructions, let's edit and adjust this so that it fits for just that one location instead of multiple. So here we can just go ahead and say that we want to adjust. Let's spell that right. Adjust for the Mars rover mission base and to use the knowledge files. We can check to read those knowledge files and we're fine. So now these chatbot instructions are going to update for that one specific location. So you guys can do this for either or. If you want to allow students some options to explore, if you have just one in mind, you can go this route as well. So we have our information here, and let's also in our interaction guidelines add one more piece so that way we keep all the descriptions factual, age appropriate, and neutral as well. No extra opinions or anything like that. Lastly, in our interaction guidelines, let's also link to that picture and that web page that we added. So that way, if students want to explore more, they have these resources to do so. So I can go ahead and backslash here, select image, and I can add in that image of the Mars rover. And let's also go with sharing the web page. Okay, so then we can just go ahead and paste in the web page like we did before. Perfect. And I think we're good to go. Lastly, check out that greeting message. Make sure you want it to be updated. So we have Mars rover mission base along with some extra options. But let's go ahead and just remove these, and we can say to NASA's Mars rover mission base. Let's go ahead and save this. And now you can go ahead and share it with students and they can interact with this chatbot in a similar way to how I showed you guys before. So they can describe what the habitat might look like, and the chatbot will be able to explain all of these different things, including those fun facts and reflection questions that were offered as well. So go ahead, give this one a try for a field trip that works in your classroom to keep your students engaged and learn about someplace new without ever having to leave your classroom.